Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. FreeNow, formerly known as MyTaxi, has rebranded itself as a multifaceted mobility app, expanding beyond just taxis. This transformation aims to provide a wider range of transportation options, catering to the diverse needs of modern urban travelers. Instead of being limited to hailing traditional cabs, FreeNow now connects you with a variety of vehicles, including e-scooters, e-bikes, and ride-hailing services, all within a single, convenient platform. This integrated approach makes navigating a city much simpler and more efficient, offering flexibility and choice in how you get from point A to point B. The platform is designed with user-friendliness in mind. Its intuitive interface allows you to easily compare different transportation methods, view estimated travel times, and select the option that best suits your requirements. Whether you're looking for a quick ride across town on an e-scooter, a leisurely cycle through the park on an e-bike, or a more traditional taxi journey, FreeNow provides the tools to plan your trip effectively. This seamless integration of multiple services streamlines the urban travel experience, eliminating the need for multiple apps and simplifying the process of finding the most suitable transport. FreeNow operates across numerous cities, providing access to a comprehensive network of mobility solutions. This broad coverage makes it a valuable tool for both residents and visitors, offering a convenient and reliable way to navigate urban environments. By consolidating various transport options within one application, FreeNow aims to simplify urban mobility, empowering users to choose the mode of transport that best aligns with their individual needs and preferences. This multifaceted approach underscores the company's commitment to providing flexible and accessible transport solutions for the modern traveler. Their commitment to sustainable transportation is evident in their inclusion of electric vehicle options. By offering e-scooters and e-bikes, FreeNow encourages eco-conscious choices, contributing to a greener urban landscape. This focus on sustainability not only benefits the environment but also provides users with cleaner and quieter transportation alternatives. Furthermore, the availability of these micro-mobility options offers a practical solution for shorter journeys, often proving to be a more efficient and convenient alternative to traditional vehicles.